Hey Bio Team. So you guys learned today that cells have the ability to send and receive physical signals with other cells. And so this type of communication can be broken down by the distance which these signals travel. So one type of cell communication that occurs over long distance is the use of hormones. If a cell needs to send a message to a cell that's on the other side of an organism, what it can do is it can secrete a hormone and pump it into the bloodstream. And the bloodstream then will carry that message to other cells that are capable of receiving it. And so in humans, this would be the bloodstream that a cell would secrete a hormone into. But other organisms have different types of vascular tissue. For instance, instead of veins and arteries and capillaries, plants have different types of tubes called xylem and phloem. If a cell wants to communicate with cells in its immediate vicinity, it can use something called a local regulator, which is kind of like a hormone. It's messenger molecules that are released only to nearby cells. So an example of a local regulator would be something like neurotransmitters, which are particles that nerve cells release, that get received by nerve cells that are right nearby. And last, cells can communicate via very short distances with cells through direct contact. That is, cells can actually feel each other with sensor proteins or lipids. And so here we've got a diagram of a cell membrane. What cell membranes have embedded in them are glycoproteins and glycolipids. And so what these receptors are able to do is feel other receptors on other cells that are nearby. And that's it. At this point, you guys have some practice problems. We'll see you next class.